It's not even recording.
Record that.
I got you, big man.
Bro. Oh, corrosion. Oh, I did that.
It's like a stick.
What that is? What that is?
That's the alternator, dumbass.
Is that like Martin piss or something? Oh, I'm tripping. Barbara, how you feel about this?
How do I feel about this?
Yeah.
I feel like
It became personal.
Ooh, we got a little tutorial of it.
Like, what the hell, boy?
What? Nah.
I'm about to say,
I'm looking at the
Let's see,
tutorial.
how you feel?
I feel pretty good.
So I don't have that.
Like what? My education?
I ain't gonna lie, what if I just drop this?
You need to quit.
Better walk on, I'm dead.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send this to your mom and dad.
Me?
Oh, this nigga on my.
A few minutes later.
What is that?
It's corrosion.
Oh.
Didn't you have science?
Ah! Yo, I don't know my clothes. What if I drop this shit?
Yo, relax, though. Yeah, you a cameraman. You got nothing to fear. You can't die right now. You're invincible.
Cameraman, don't die.
Let's go buy some chips.
At a moment like this, you wanna walk. You wanna go to the store at a moment like this.
Yeah.
My truck sound like it's misfrying. It's doing that hokey pokey and jerking and stuff. Gra gra boom. Get out my face, kid. I'm gonna have to call Papa LSJ.
Don't be like me. Where your belt?
Good, man. Hey, your arm getting tired. I'm good, bro. Don't even worry about it. I'm just worried about you. If you come
Real camera. Real, but you pulling out the wand. Pulling out the wand.
Your truck already warmed up, so
Pulling out the wand. He's gonna stick it into the hole. Boy, if you don't.
I know the truck already circulated the oil low. I know that for sure.
Yeah, what he said.
Hell yeah, nigga.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Is that blood?
It's old.
Me and my old boy, we been saying we're gonna change the oil. Hey, Dad, we been saying we're gonna change the oil. That's not my fault. There's only one thing you can do, y'all boys. Right? You will bust a prayer right quick.
What's wrong with you?
This is the right. This is.
Father God,
Hold my hand gang.
I just want to say, Father, allow us to all get home safe. In Jesus' name I pray.
Amen.
Oh, alright, so bad news, though. Where's the key?
I mean, the door open, so we good, right?
How you gonna start the car with no key?
What? You just had the
That's
key.
what I'm trying to
What
say.
is going
Wait,
Where's
what?
my pocket?
Oh, I was about to say, bro.
my video?
They want to see a close up of my.
I'm
Unless you
saying this nigga's.
want to see the reach. Want to see the reach right quick? Watch, peek this.
Just saying what's wrong with you, bro. I'm getting your face from the dash thing. The mirror.
Only thing I can do for y'all boys is pray.
This is my grandma car did the same thing. It's jerking like an old truck. So. Damn. I know it's an old truck, but even we gotta change the spark plugs and the coils. I think. When you get oh, yeah, boys, I got you. You see? Watch this. Bling. Daddy know not to drive behind us.
Word.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys ain't getting no AC. Maybe that was God.
I got that bit.
Hey, that was a good thing. That was God protecting all of us from going to prison. Because we was trying to go here we was about to drill. We was gonna go on a drill.
Guys, he's lying. Why
would I lie? Why would I lie?
Why did you nobody?
What is that? Nah, man. We good. He good.
That's him right there?
Prison,
Well,
bro.
no face, no case. That don't matter. Because your name is Omar Cisse.
Yo, what the? Yo!
On the west side?
Yo! No, it's not, bro. This is gonna be part of the video, bro. And I'm gonna be
You
the
macho
main
in it, kid.
event. Is how you feel about this?
There's nothing to worry
This
about.
nigga sucks. Look at what he's recording.
Hey, this is my good side? Ain't nothing to worry about.
Archibald, how you feel about this situation?
Go slow.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna lie, Marvin, your face look crazy on the cam.
Bro, why?
Why you gotta? It doesn't, bro. Why you being
You don't
mean?
want to record him right next to my face. What's wrong with you?
Every time I talk to the car, I can smell it.
What is this nigga's
Trying to get home, both of us, you know.
I'm already at the crib. I don't know what y'all niggas.
They my scholar.
Diesel or something?
I don't got these in my cars, though.
Yo, why is the camera like going like 3 frames per second right now?
It's on 30. If it's on 30 frames, they ain't gonna do that.
You seen that new Fortnite? I ain't gonna lie, the quality is amazing, kid. Not gonna cap.
Oh my gosh, man.
Yeah.
You don't understand how my heart feels, bro. I love this truck, bro. Bro, is this the truck that work? The boy in the GMC, big body. That thing got a screen. That got 140 on the dash. Mine got 110. I was waiting for that thing to go, honestly. How that thing work? What the heck? Bro, what the hell? Oh shoot, there you go. Gotta put some force into it, son. Golly, bro. GMC! It's basically like a Tahoe, honestly. You got a big body. You go in the big body. 3 rows. Come on, don't play with me, boy. Sharp turn. I ain't gonna lie. I just went to the store. Got some spark plugs, some oil. What else? Got a socket. We don't know if it's gonna work. And you know you gotta have faith in God. I mean, it's truck for school tomorrow, so it better work. I don't know if you're gonna see the installation process. If you do, it's gonna be like 12 o'clock, 11:30 at night. But you know, successful journey. Everything all good, everything godly. That truck was running rough. That thing kicked me, so. If one of y'all can feel this, had the AMC seats or something. Feel the thunder under your butt crack. I'm gonna check this again. Hold on, what am I thinking?
Oh my God!
I'm not gonna lie, I did not record nothing that happened that night. It was too late, I was tired, I don't want to go to bed. But good news, I made a really realistic drawing based on what happened. I know what you're saying, it looks amazing. I want to go to animation school after high school. So yeah, and it ain't nothing to me. So anyway, so me and my dad obviously right here, if you can't tell. Must be stupid if you can't. We had to take out the spark plugs. So we was messing with it like 15 to 20 minutes. So we took it out just like that. I mean, just like that. We put our hand in the thing, threw that thing on the roof, as you can tell. So after that, we looked down in it. He was like, man, no wonder the car not working. There's no spark plugs in it. So we took out the spark plugs, right? And we slammed them in there right like that, just like that. When I mean just like that, I mean just like that. So after that, we start the car just like this, you know, with the key. You know, we start the car just like that. He's like, the car running smooth, it's great, it's amazing. He was like, wait, there's one last thing, the oil. You did buy some oil? I was like, you're right. So I took it out the bag, right? Threw that thing in the air, slam dunk right inside the oil, right inside to the oil thing, bro. The car started running smooth. I ain't never seen a truck run that smooth in my life. So I feel like it was a great success. Gotta thank God for that, of course. And God bless. I'll see y'all later.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.